Amen, amen, amen. It's your boy, Oli FX, back with another video, back with another update for you boys. Wow, bro, wow. You know these charm markets, bro.
It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping.
These Trump markets, bro.
I don't care.
These Trump markets, bro. But let's not complain. So guys, as you guys can see right here, what I'm looking at, bro, the S&P 500. As you guys can see, we went into a lot of loss. Now we're kind of reeling it back. So I'm gonna hold it still. The only reasoning I see behind what it's doing right now, bro, is because here we had a week into the EMA, right? So for me, that was confidence to enter right here, right? But as you can see now, it had a candle into the EMA. So I hope it's gonna go down from here. We can only hope. Right, so looking at the daily as well, I honestly think the daily is gonna close like this, bro. If it closes like this, we chilling, bro. We chilling. But yeah, trade is going alright. I missed out on 2 good trades, bro. I missed out on 2 proper pairs, bro. 2 proper setups, bro. Yo, bro. But it's a part of the game. You know, at least I called it, bro. The knowledge is there. At least I called it, man. But yeah, we missed out on 2 proper setups. Right now, this setup is, I was looking for entries over here. As you can see, rejecting around psychological level. This is NZD CAT, rejecting around psychological level. And I'm hoping for a nice 4-hour entry signal, maybe tapping into the 4-hour EMA, and then 4-hour entry, right? That's what I'll be waiting for. But otherwise, it's looking calm, it's looking collected. Euro USD, I didn't expect it to do what it's doing right now, but yeah, as you can see, guys, Euro USD, it's kind of having a weekly consolidation, kind of trading in this single range over here. So I'm not gonna be interested. I'm not gonna enter Euro USD. Nah, Euro USD, we're not touching. Okay, moving on. Again, looking at Euro USD, I think it's better to, I honestly think, I wouldn't enter sales though, but it looks good for sales on the 4-hour time frame. But if it doesn't follow your strategy, move on, bro. That's one lesson that you guys should learn. If it doesn't meet your strategy, move on, bro. Moving on will save you so much pain, save you so much stop losses. Moving on will save you, bro. Just move on, bro. And that's what I do. Just move on. Okay, Euro CHF, going to the upside. This is the trade that I was pissed I missed. This is definitely gonna hit take profit, no doubt, bro, no doubt. This is gonna hit take profit. But yeah, we missed this, guys. Why did I miss it? Honestly, we didn't get a daily. We got the daily confirmation, but it didn't come back to better entry. And one thing you guys need to learn as well is don't chase the move, bro. Don't chase the move, because if you think about it, if you chase the move, you have a bigger stop loss. You have a lower risk to reward. You have a lower risk to reward, the trade makes less sense and is less probable for profitability. Or maybe if you adjust your risk to reward to 1:2, your take profit is less probable to hit, bro. So don't chase the trade. That's what I would advise for you guys. Moving on is Euro GBP. Before I get into this, y'all let me know like how to improve the quality of my videos. Right, and then Euro GBP. I don't even want to get into this, bro. Just look at it, bro. The only thing I would want from here is switch off structure on this daily time frame, pull back and buys, bro. Simple. I'm not even gonna jot down the time frame because it's not ready, bro. within my rules, within my strategies, not really, bro. So moving on to GBP USD. Also didn't expect this to happen. I think Trump did send out a few tweets or something. That's why the markets are kind of all over the place. But this video, I think I'll drop it on Friday for you guys. On Friday. Because with my new timetable, I have a lot of breaks during the day. So literally right now, I'm on break filming this video for y'all real quick. That's the grind, bro. That's the pushing. That's what we're doing, man. That's what we're doing. So yeah, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, dog. For the motivation, bro. You feel me? Right now, I'm motivated, dog. Right now, my previous video has 26 views. That's nothing. But we're pushing, bro. Someone is watching, bro. Someone is watching. Cool. So yeah, GBP USD. Like I said, I didn't expect this move to kind of happen. I did expect a move up from there, or maybe from this 4-hour EMA, which it didn't do, which is okay. Moving on to Nasdaq. As I said to y'all, I actually didn't say to y'all, but yeah, I adjusted this area of interest because I actually looked back at previous price action and I saw this area of interest is actually quite wider than I thought it was, right? So I adjusted that up. Yeah, man. Nasdaq, I think it's gonna fall from this area right here. I genuinely think it's gonna fall from that area right there. But we're gonna stay watching. So as I was saying, yeah, Nasdaq, I think it's gonna fall from that EMA right there. If the daily creates a nice rejection kind of candle, then we're in, bro. I'm joking, we're not in, but I mean, it depends, bro. It depends, because I am kind of seeing there could be an area of interest right over here, bro. Because we have 1, 2, 3 hits. I need minimum 3 hits for an area of interest to be considered an area of interest, right? But we'll see, man. We'll see, guys. Moving on, we've got GBP AUD, absolutely beautiful. Another trade I also missed from around here to all the way down here. It is what it is, bro. I missed it for a reason. I didn't get all my confluences, and it happens, bro. Sometimes trades just move without you. It happens. You gotta accept it. Gotta move on. AUD CHF, we still waiting for that pullback over there. I actually was looking for sales on AUD CHF, because if you look at the weekly, we're at this weekly area of interest, which I described in the Sunday swings. So that's why I recommend y'all to watch the Sunday swings. A lot of what I'm explaining here will make much more sense if you go watch that video. Alright, cool. AUD CAD. I think AUD CAD, I'm gonna change what I'm looking for, right? Because we have a strong-ish area of interest over here. Yeah. So I might just wait for a retest and look for buys. But one thing that I don't like doing is looking for one thing in a trade, looking at all the confluence that support that one thing that I'm looking for, and then when the trade does something else, I automatically switch and look for something else. You know what I mean? So this is gonna have to fulfill all my rules and all of that before I decide on entering. Technically, we are bullish in the bigger scope of things. Definitely are bullish in the bigger scope of things. But when we broke this low over here, that's where I actually made the conclusion that we're bearish. But honestly speaking, we could definitely still be bullish, bro. So this could still be a solid trade, because so for me, guys, I don't consider moves with at least minimum 2 candlesticks as a pullback, bro. That's why I'm not really comfortable considering that or that a pullback. But again, we're on a huge time frame, we're on the daily, so the higher the time frame, the less strict I am on that specific rule. But yeah, bro, I mean, you could consider it bullish, but like I said, I don't like all of a sudden changing my view on trades, right? But I will be aware and looking out for this trade because the 4 hour definitely looks good and looks solid for that specific setup. Okay, looking at the next pair, we've got Euro AUD. Again, clean move. I expect it to hit TP. Definitely looks like it's gonna hit TP. And yeah, bro, these are the kind of trades we like. These are the kind of trades you wanna catch, man. These are the kind of trades you wanna catch. But yeah, it is what it is. We move on. Here, no retest. And here, I'm not really interested anymore. I do think from here it's just gonna go up. But yeah, this is what we are currently in. So this is what's important. I'm gonna continue to set and forget this trade as the strategy says. And yeah, man, hope y'all guys gain something from this update coming soon. I'll catch y'all in the next update. Peace. YouTube, man. We got him. We fucking got him. Yo, I can't film right now, but we fucking got him. It's this easy, bro. It's this easy. I almost got DD'd over there at the top, but it's this easy, bro. Perfect entry, in my opinion. Banger trade. This is all we need. We're gonna do this shit again next week, bro. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, dog. This is transparency. Y'all saw this trade from the beginning. From since this trade didn't even load, bro. I showed y'all. This is the skill, chat. I'm sharing the skill. I hope y'all gain the skill as well. But, hey, man, Sunday swings coming soon. What a banger, bro. We fucking got him.